Hi, Avery. We are on our walk. It's a little bit chilly today, so she's bundled up. And she's not moving anything except her head. Hi, sweetie. So funny. Yep, there she is. Looking awfully cute. Looking at the flowers. She's so curious. Nosy. Okay. Bye-bye.